Welcome to the Auto Aces. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Acura RDX, a luxury SUV that blends performance, tech, and style into one sleek package. If you're looking for a refined yet sporty ride, this might be the perfect SUV for you. Acura has given the RDX a fresh update, refining its already impressive design. The exterior is sharper, with a more aggressive front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and sculpted lines that make it stand out on the road. The rear has also been tweaked, featuring new taillight designs and a sportier bumper. And let's not forget the wheel options. Acura is offering some stylish new alloy choices to complete the look. Under the hood, the 2025 RDX sticks with its powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering around 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this SUV provides a smooth yet responsive driving experience. Acura's Super Handling all-wheel drive (SHAWD) is available, ensuring excellent traction and cornering ability, making every drive more engaging, whether you're navigating city streets or taking on winding roads. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a premium cabin with high-quality materials and a modern design. Acura has upgraded the infotainment system, now featuring a larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The touchpad controller is still here, but the interface has been improved for easier use. The L Studio 3D Premium Audio System offers an immersive sound experience, perfect for music lovers. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seats are more supportive, with available 16-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. The second row offers generous legroom, making long road trips a breeze for passengers. And with a spacious cargo area, you'll have plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or anything else you need to haul. On the tech front, Acura has enhanced the driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and improved collision mitigation braking. A new digital instrument cluster and an available head-up display add to the high-tech feel, giving drivers a more intuitive experience. So, who is the 2025 Acura RDX for? If you want an SUV that balances luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, this one should be on your radar. Acura has fine-tuned what was already a strong contender in the luxury compact SUV segment, making it even more compelling. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Acura RDX. What do you think about this updated SUV? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching the Auto Aces, and we'll catch you in the next one.